can see, we have a big box here. At Saturday, Shayna got a desktop. Here's Shayna's desktop. It's very big and beautiful. Here's her keyboard that I love. And yeah. So my mom bought this at Amazon. So yeah, I'm so excited to open it. So I need to find some scissors. I'll go get some scissors. Okay guys, I'm back. It took me quite a while. Okay. So, there. Guys, be careful with sharp tools. They're opening stuff. I'm opening it with a sharp tool because my mom's supervising me. So I'm okay to use a sharp tool. The only thing I don't want to do is cut the speaker. It's really small.
Hindi ka bulo ba?
And now she's watching. Can I cut through this, Mom? Boom! We got something. Okay. Let's. Oh, there's Shayna at the background. Ignore her. Okay, we got some bubbles.
Where's the camera?
The
is that?
speaker.
Oh, it's a speaker.
Just a speaker. Okay, let's go open it up. I am so excited. This is gonna be amazing. Okay, I want to do it like this, and you guys can see it first.
Oh, you have to plug it into the.
Okay, so there's 2 speakers. They are amazing. So, yeah, Shayna has a cute little panda here. May I open this? May I open the bag? Okay. Ah! Okay, so they're connected. So we have to open it one by one.
Then you can set up. Maybe the camera, maybe tomorrow is coming.
Okay. Guys, since if this does not work, you have to send it back. So, yeah. Okay, this is hard. I'm not going to open the thing. I have really long nails. My mom did not cut them yet. So,
Ate Shayna's room is it's really mess.
okay. Guys, make sure you subscribe when you're watching this. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Just getting this tape. Snip. Okay. Let's open. So here are the speakers. They're black and beautiful. So I think
Let's go to set up.
okay. We have to take these little things out first before we set it up. Boom, like this. And then okay guys, we set it up off camera. So here's the final results. This is actually music. Why we're not turning it on? Because this is gonna not, gonna play what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's why we closed it.
We have lights.
Here's the light. It's very nice, and
waiting for the.
we're waiting for the camera that must have to go there because now Shayna is gonna use this for her Zoom classes.
And
when she's talking to her friends. And yeah, and she's gonna, yeah, there's so much of that.
Buy this.
And this is a desktop. If you're wondering, desktop. If you're wondering what computer this is a desktop. Yeah, this is. I do not. Is this?
This is Adishana's room is really mess.
Okay. So yeah. Okay.
Next time use for
Next time, since I have my own money inside my own
You have your own
piggy
money?
bank, I'm gonna buy a tablet. So stay tuned for that.
okay, I wait for your tablet to show me.
It might have to come after my birthday.
Oh, it's for next year. I thought you're for Christmas. That's why you want to save.
So, bye. Subscribe, share, and like this video. And comment down below if you want. Bye. Mwah.